Christy Young here with Mrs. Young's Teaching Corner. Have you ever downloaded something off of Teachers Pay Teachers and thought, how did they get this adorable font? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to download and install cute fonts on your desktop computer to use on all of your resources. Okay, so first we need to start with, where do we get these cute fonts? Teachers Pay Teachers actually has several people who sell really cute fonts, and a few of them are even free if you're not using them commercially. Two of my favorites are Hello Fonts and Kimberly Guisen Fonts. They allow you to download all their fonts for free and use them non-commercially. You can use them on all of your classroom resources. Knowing how to download and install fonts onto your computer is also helpful if you are going to purchase items on Teachers Pay Teachers that are editable. When you buy something that is editable, if you do not have the same font that the teacher used to create that resource, it will not turn out as cute as the teacher's. In my products, when I create something editable, I write what font I used and I give instructions on how to download that font so that you can get the same format and look that I created. In addition to this, it's just really nice to have cute fonts to choose from. It takes an average worksheet and makes it look spectacular, which kids really appreciate. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Teachers Pay Teachers account, type in the name Hello Fonts or Kimberly Guisen Fonts. It will direct you to their free downloads. Once you click free download, it will go into your download section. Mine is in the top right-hand corner of the screen. I click on that, and then once it opens up, you have to individually select the font that you would like to install. Once you see the font that you want, you're going to double-click on the font, and it will give you the option to install that font. When you click install, it's important that you restart your computer. After you've installed all the fonts that you want, restart your computer, and then it will show up on your programs when you open them, like PowerPoint or Microsoft Word.